Final Cut Pro has long been the go-to software for countless independent storytellers. But today, something feels stuck. Updates are rare, innovation is timid, and it seems like Apple has stopped truly listening to creatives. Yet the potential is still there. In this episode, I'll share what Final Cut Pro should become by 2026. Not just to survive, but to lead again. Apple introduced automatic transcription. Useful, but we're still far behind apps like Descript or DaVinci Resolve text-based editing tool. Editing directly from text, translating across languages, formatting with flexibility. All of this is possible today, just not in Final Cut. Imagine a system where you can select a sentence, cut it, move it, highlight it. It's time for Final Cut to truly speak the language of documentarians, podcasters, and agile creators. Final Cut needs to be more powerful, implementing pro color spaces like ACES, Rec 2020, DCI P3, and a hypothetical Apple wide gamut. New HDR color wheels, more accurate color space transforms, a more refined AI-powered color autobalance tool. Not to replace plugins like Dehancer or Color Final, but to offer a solid, professional, integrated foundation. Color grading is part of the storytelling, and Final Cut needs to tell stories well again. Final Cut supports RAW codecs from Apple and Red, while RAW codecs from ARRI, Blackmagic, Canon, and Nikon are instead still missing. ARRI has released its SDK, so the integration is possible. Color Final Transcoder is a great workaround, but it's not enough. A professional-grade software must speak the language of professionals. Native support for the most widely used codecs is essential. Final Cut on iPad was a welcome surprise. It's aimed mostly at content creators, but it could be incredibly useful for filmmakers and editors who often work on the move. Imagine starting a project on iPad and continuing it seamlessly on a MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, or Studio, just like you already do with Pages, GarageBand, or Notes. A fluid, uninterrupted workflow where your project follows you everywhere. It's not just convenient, it's creative, because inspiration doesn't wait, and software shouldn't slow it down. Final Cut Pro has everything: the technology, the ecosystem, the community. But to return to the heart of creativity, it needs vision. It needs to listen. It needs the courage to evolve, because the future isn't something we wait for. If this was helpful, consider liking and subscribing so you won't miss the next chapters of this Final Cut Pro wish list. Thanks for watching.